Emmett's got a stalker. There she is. There she is.
Go and die.
Oh my god. And there she is again.
I'm sliding.
Damn, Emmett. I know.
I bet you were in. I am, man. Die.
Oh man, Emmett.
Oh my god.
You have 3 more or else I chase you. And you fall down and I hit your head.
Isn't this great?
She likes Emmett.
I think so too.
And then I slap you to death.
Oh.
Man, I can't tag you. No, this is you.
Hey!
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah, you think
Get a penalty.
now you think it's easy, huh?
No, thank you.
Can't climb up anything. Use the stairs. Slide.
Yo, who the F are you?
For real, man.
It's hard to
Ha
Come on, Em, you suck.
Hoo-ha, hoo-ha, hoo-chee-chee.
Oh, she's coming after you.
Hey! That's 2 penalties.
No.
That's 3.
I wish your mom would call her again.
1 more.
Hey, Alexa, you gotta come over here.
No! Oh my gosh, dude. I suck at this game. No, playing lava hack.
Playing
He
lava
can't get on the ground and he can't get up here. That's why he's sliding
He can
everywhere.
climb the slides.
Oh, yeah!
That's only if you're gonna bridge.
There.
If you bridge.
Yeah, like 5 seconds. Dude, eventually you can get tired.
Guys, if you're over 12, you're not supposed to be here. So, don't teach my little kids to do things they can't do if you're over 12 and you're here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Pones. And I guess it's the end of our adventure. Goodbye, video.